Think you know everything? These 10 Stoic techniques will prove you wrong. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." In this video, we explore 10 Stoic techniques that can transform your life and make you smarter and wiser. First up, let's talk about the teacher's journey to adaptation and growth. Imagine a king trying to change the world, but realizing he needs to change himself instead. Embracing change fosters growth and resilience. Before we start, like, subscribe, and comment, "I practice self-control." This shows your commitment and inspires others. Next, let's dive into the virtue of discomfort. Discomfort isn't just a nuisance, it's a vital part of growth. Stoic wisdom teaches us to welcome challenges as opportunities for personal development. The art of intentional withdrawal is another powerful technique. Purposeful pauses and inner retreats are essential for refreshing your mind and gaining perspective. Solitude can be a powerful tool for rejuvenation. Embracing continuous learning is key. Every day is a chance to grow and understand life's complexities. Rekindle your childlike curiosity and make learning a lifelong pursuit. Harnessing gratitude for deeper wisdom can transform your outlook and enrich your intellect. Make it a daily practice to recognize and appreciate the value in every aspect of life. The essence of mindful observation helps you find wisdom and beauty in everyday moments. Engage deeply with the present and observe the ordinary with mindfulness. The practice of active listening enhances understanding and fosters better communication. Fully engage and empathize during conversations to gain deeper insights. Embracing quietude in chaos is essential for personal growth. Regular moments of stillness can transform and clarify your mind. The wisdom of varied encounters sparks creativity and provides new insights. Engage with different people to expand your perspectives and ideas. Finally, nurturing curiosity instead of judgment. Replace judgment with curiosity. Embrace an inquisitive spirit to learn and grow, and avoid snap judgments to seek deeper understanding. Applying these Stoic principles in your daily life is the true cornerstone of intelligence. By embracing change, welcoming discomfort, and practicing gratitude, you can transform your outlook and enrich your mind. Remember to observe mindfully, listen actively, and find moments of quietude amidst the chaos. Engage with diverse people and nurture your curiosity to continuously learn and grow. Share these insights and build a community focused on wisdom and growth. The journey to a smarter, wiser you starts with these 10 Stoic techniques. Now go out and transform your life. Before we go, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with the words, "I practice self-control." This shows your commitment and inspires others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay stoic, stay strong.